I am still here at the Michigan Safety Conference in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I am here with my auntie, Jocelyn. How are you?
I am lovely, dear. How are you today?
I'm doing all right. I'll see you this Thanksgiving for sure.
Yeah,
I'm
you
sorry
better.
about last Thanksgiving.
I saved you a plate, and
I know.
it went cold,
I
and
know.
it made me cry.
I'm
Hurt
sorry.
my heart.
I'm sorry. But we are here talking about Miss Dig at this event, at the safety conference.
Yes.
Why should people use Miss Dig 811?
To speak frankly,
Yes.
call before you dig so you don't blow your ass up.
I agree 100%. and for people who don't know, how can they call Miss Dig 811?
Just as simple as calling 911, just replace the 9 with an 8.
There you go. Thank you so much.
You are most welcome,
You
dear.
have a great day.
You as well.
Thank you.
Remember to always call 811 before you dig. Safety is in your hands. Every dig, every time.